Welcome to Ask Amy. I'm Amy Cadora. Can you explain recycled microfiber? Many of our most popular microfiber products are now made of up to 70% recycled microfiber yarn, which means that anywhere from 2 to 5 plastic bottles are reused in these products when they are manufactured. So we're able to pull some of the plastic pollution that may be getting into landfills or our water and now transform it into a very useful product that can be used over and over again, our Norwex microfiber. How does Norwex clean with just water? So water is pretty good at cleaning most things all by itself. Think about when you have a dish or a pan that has stuck on food. We put water in it to soak it for a few hours and then it becomes much easier to clean it off. That's because water molecules have two very different ends. They're electrically unbalanced, so they stick to all kinds of things, including lumps of dirt. And they stick like tiny magnets and actually break them apart. Water is sometimes called a universal solvent because it can dissolve so many different things. Water can actually dissolve more substances than any other liquid, including sulfuric acid. So when you combine the power of our microfiber with its amazingly fine splitting, so each fiber is 1/200th the size of a human hair, and then you add the power of water as a universal solvent, you have an incredible and unbeatable team for cleaning just about any mess. Cleaning different surfaces. Can you clean one surface and then clean another one? Is it still doing a good job of cleaning? So the incredibly fine and precise split of Norwex microfiber to 1/200th the size of a human hair allows many pockets to be created within each thread. And it's these pockets that are able to trap dirt, dust, and bacteria within the cloth when it's used on a surface. And it's what makes microfiber super porous. So these pockets give the cloth more surface area to be able to trap that dust and dirt and bacteria within the cloth. This unique construction of microfiber also allows it to be able to pick up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when used and cared for properly. Additionally, these smaller fibers can actually get into cracks and crevices that might be too small for other materials. And because there are so many pockets, each cloth can continue to clean different surfaces before needing to be rinsed out under running water or laundered. Now, another cool fact about microfiber, it also has a positive charge, kind of like a magnet, which attracts dirt and dust. Microfibers are able to attach themselves to even the smallest, most microscopic dirt particles, ones that normal cloth fibers just brush past. If the forces were visible, you'd actually be able to see that there are adhesive forces between microfibers and dirt. As you may have learned in school chemistry, these forces are called van der Waals forces after their discoverer, Nobel Prize-winning Dutch chemist Johan Diederik van der Waals. Now, van der Waals forces is a general term used to define the attraction of intermolecular forces between molecules. A great example of van der Waals forces is how geckos can stick themselves to ceilings using zillions of tiny hairs on their toes. Although there is only a microscopic amount of van der Waals forces between one microfiber and any given dirt particle, remember that there are millions of microfibers in a cloth, so the overall sticking effect is magnified dramatically. That's why dirt, dust, and other stuff can be easily picked up by microfiber cloths. And that concludes our Ask Amy episode. Thanks so much for joining us.